If you are wondering what apps can you use on the cover screen on a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, then here is the list. So this list includes pretty much only some Samsung apps. And here in the apps section, there are a couple of additional apps like Google Maps, Google Messages, WhatsApp, and YouTube. So the list is quite short. However, it might be actually longer due to this labs section. So as you install more apps, you might have access to them on the cover screen, but it is not really guaranteed. But here we can read that we can install multi-star in order to be able to use more apps. So in order to make it work, in order to set it up, first we need to go to the Galaxy Store on our phone. And over here, we're going to search for Good Luck. You want to type Good Luck over here, just like that. And this is the app that we need to get first. So install it and then open it once it is available. Now, once the app is opened, of course, if you open it for the first time, you'll need to grant some permissions. So be sure to do that. Then over here, we need to find the multi-star. There we go. Here it is. We're going to tap on this arrow that we have on the right side. And we need to install this additional plugin. And once it is available at the top of the list, you should be able to open it. There we go. Now, once we go here, then we should be able to now use more apps. And let's see if we can find more options. For example, here there is also the I Love Galaxy Foldable section. So here we have cover widgets, like we have the launch widget. There we go. Now we can select apps to show on the cover screen. However, some apps might still not work as expected. So let's see if that is the case. I'm going to include Spotify and TikTok. Let's use X as well and YouTube Music. These have not been available. And let's tap on it, done. There's also the game widget, so you should be able to enable some game widgets over there. And there is also the flip shot, which allows us to use the cover screen as a customizable display while taking mirror selfies. I don't think that's relevant, actually. All right, so now let's see if we have these apps available on the cover screen. So let's go to the app drawer, and there we go. Here in Labs now we do indeed have more apps available. So let's try to open Spotify, and it seems to be working just fine. Let's also try YouTube Music, if it's going to work. And it seems that yes, it is. It should be working just fine. Now let's see if I can actually play some music. Yes, it works just fine. Okay, that's great. So yeah, you can try to use that to be able to have access to even more apps. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.